Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. This is class 8. Today we will learn past tense. We will practice past tense sentences, question and answer, small story speaking. Speak with me loudly, repeat after me. Let's begin. Past tense basic sentences. Repeat after me. I played cricket yesterday. I watched TV last night. I visited my friend. I completed my homework. I cleaned my room. He played football. She cooked food. He played football. She cooked food. We studied English. They worked hard. Present, play. Past, played. Present, watch. Past, watched. Most verb add ed in past tenses. Repeat all sentences again. Past tense questions. Repeat after me. What did you do yesterday? I played cricket yesterday. Where did you go? I went to the market. When did you wake up? I wake up at 6 am. Did you complete your homework? Yes, I completed my homework. Did you watch TV? No, I did not watch TV. Repeat again loudly. Conversation practice. Let's begin conversation. What did you do yesterday? I went to school. Did you study English? Yes, I study English. Did you play game? Yes, I played cricket. What did you eat? I ate rice and vegetables. Practice again with confidence. Small story practice. Read with me. Yesterday Ravi woke up early. He brushed his teeth and took a bath. He ate breakfast and went to school. He studied English in class. In the evening, he played with his friends. At night, he completed his homework and slept early. Now read again slowly. Speak practice task. Now speak about your yesterday. Start like this. Yesterday I wake up at 6 am. I went to market. I ate food. I studied English. I sleep at late night. Speak for 1 minute in English. Practice past tense daily. Try to speak about yesterday every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Confidence is very important. If you like this class, please like, share and subscribe. Comment class at for next lesson. Comment class 9 for next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.